My name's Eric Plage. I'm environmental specialist here at Tampa Bay Watch, and this is our oyster dome project. Most of these oyster domes you see over there are going to be going to our project at MacDill Air Force Base. The oysters will actually attach to this, start to grow, completely cover these things, and one adult oyster can filter 15 gallons of water an hour. So if you have three to 400 of those on each one of these domes out there, you know, do the math, keeping the bay clean. Concrete here. Usually we have a few people that I don't know if anybody wants to volunteer, help lift the 60-pound concrete bags into the cement mixer. You get a little dirty, or I got masks and everything for you, but like I said, you don't have to go to the gym later. So we need somebody on the wheelbarrow to move the concrete to and from, maybe even 2 people. We've got these 3 scoops. Once we get the concrete to one of these molds to actually put the concrete in, we also have this bucket to grab concrete as well. Then we need somebody who also, as they're putting the concrete in, is tapping on the top of this so that when the concrete's going down, it's evenly dispersing down there and not leaving any holes. And then we need somebody on the hose, the green hose over there, there we go, to wash off the tops and try to, any of that excess concrete that's on the sides or on the bases and stuff like that, just rinse that off and keep it clean. So there's a lot of jobs and projects to do. We got a lot of people, but if anybody wants to pick a job, feel free. You get the ladder out, so remove the bar out of here, and then you're going to slide this, I lost my flag, but slide this piece of wire in there, because these things, their release valve gets all corroded and whatnot from all the concrete, so it just helps you get the air out of there. Otherwise you're trying to pull like a half full one of these through this hole. Go around, make the hole a little bigger, that you're going to pull it through, make it easier on yourself, don't make it too large. Once you've done that, you're going to take all the pins out. You can see how the pins are set up. A lot of people try to hit the bottoms of them to try to knock them up, but it's a lot easier than that. You just hit the side and it'll actually just vibrate.